In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Klaviyo form on your Shopify store. Whether you're new to using Klaviyo or looking to enhance your Shopify site, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can successfully integrate these two platforms to boost your marketing efforts. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Integrations option. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic begins, as integrating apps is a crucial part of customizing your Klaviyo experience. After selecting Integrations, you'll see an option to Explore Apps. Click on this to access the wide array of apps that work seamlessly with Klaviyo. In this particular case, we're interested in the Shopify app, so scroll through or use the search function to find Shopify. Once you've located Shopify in the app list, click on it to proceed. This will take you to the Shopify app page within Klaviyo. Here, you'll find an Install button. Click on it to start the installation process. It's as simple as that, and you'll be one step closer to having your Klaviyo form live on your Shopify store. Now, you'll need to fill out some necessary information to complete the integration. These requirements might include your Shopify store details and any other specific information that Klaviyo might need to connect the two platforms. Be sure to fill these out accurately to avoid any issues later on. With all the information entered, the next step is to click on Connect to Shopify. This action finalizes the integration between Klaviyo and your Shopify store. Once connected, you'll be able to manage your Klaviyo forms and emails directly within Shopify, making your workflow more efficient. Before you wrap up, there's one more thing to check. Make sure that Klaviyo is already installed on your Shopify account. This ensures a smooth integration process and prevents any potential hiccups down the road. If it's not installed yet, you'll want to do that first before proceeding with embedding the form. Lastly, a quick reminder. You need to have an active store on Shopify to use this feature. If you haven't set up your Shopify store yet, you'll want to do that first to take full advantage of embedding a Klaviyo form. And that's it. By following these steps, you're now ready to embed a Klaviyo form on your Shopify store, opening up new opportunities for email marketing and customer engagement. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.